Hello. I think you are doing well. I come back. It has been for a long time without sharing with you a video. Then I have the trick to show you today. So today I'm going to show you how to have 2 telegrams applications in your phone. Then all you have to do, first of all, make sure you already have your Chrome as a browser, because the application is not on Play Store. Okay, click on Chrome browse, and in the search case you mention Hotgold APK. Here my version C I can be in computer. Okay, you see for the first search you have to click here and wait for the connection. So after reaching here, all you have to do is to click on download. Wait. Okay, it starts downloading. I just want to tell you that I have already downloaded it without for the sake of time, let me show you in my applications. It is this here, Hotgold, already installed. And I remember you that I have another Telegram here, official one. The other one is an official, but it helps you make a chat with the people. So here on Hotgold, you click and then you wait for it to get connected. Alright, I am already in the application. Yes, you see it works like a Telegram, and that is Telegram official. It works like a Telegram official. All you have to do after having reached after having downloaded the application, you have to open it and put your second number, and then you start chatting. Thank you, all of you.